So that's another thing you can do is if your laptop is running slow. I mean, excuse me. Well, this I've had more laptops than desktops benefit from this, but this is another thing that you can do that you might want to try. Again, I'm using Windows XP, just so you know. So if you're using Vista, um, this is XP. So you go Start, Run, and then we type in CMD, as in Charlie, Mary, David. We come up with this window, and then what we do is you type in CHKDSK, check disk, type in the C colon, and then /R for repair. Okay, then you click OK, and it'll come up and say that we can't do this now. Do you want to do the next time you boot? And you say Y for yes and click enter, and then it'll just and then you go ahead and reboot, and it'll do its thing. And what it does is just it looks at your hard drive for errors, and then it automatically fixes and repairs them. Okay, and that takes, I don't know, anywhere from 20 minutes to a few hours. I mean, I've had clients where they have a laptop where it took, a couple hours, but eventually it did, and it did definitely help drastically. Okay, so just a refresher, we're going to go over, so suggested software, Adware 2007, you can get it at download.com. Spybot Search and Destroy 1.5, you can get it at download.com. Spyware Blaster, get it at download.com. Firefox, that was another thing, get it at getfirefox.com. And that's also something that I would suggest if you want to browse faster. Okay, so then we have instructions on how to use the top 3 programs on my blog, ianbrown.cc/blog. And then in the actions I suggested was run, check disk via start. You go to start, run, type CMD, hit enter, and then as you just saw, you type in the check disk space C colon space /R. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's how to do it. And remember, if you like the video, go ahead and click on subscribe to support the site, and also don't forget to rate the video. Even if it's a 3 or 4, it still helps. So thanks for watching the final part of how to speed up your computer by removing spyware. Viruses can also cause your computer to run very slowly, and I'll upload a video on how to remove them very soon.